Hello and welcome to Ritu's DIY Creations channel, and those who are new into my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Today I will show you how to make this flower mirror latkan, which is same from the front and the back also. To make this latkan, first we have to make a ring for the mirror. To make this ring, I will use a golden thread or zari. Of course, you can use whatever thread of your likings, but gold thread helps this latkan to get a heavy look. My mirrors are small, so I will make this ring smaller, but if you have a bigger mirror, make your ring bigger in order to fit the mirror in the ring. To make this ring, first of all, take your thread and wrap it around your finger for 15 times. Do not pull the thread, just lightly wrap. Then I will cut my thread and pull this ring out. It will look like this. Then take needle. I have used the same thread. Go inside the hole and tie at the end like this. Then take your needle go inside the ring and make a buttonhole stitch. You will have to fill the entire ring with buttonhole stitch. I have wrapped my entire thread in the buttonhole stitch. Then I have to close my stitch with a simple knot like this. After that, we have to put beads on the edge. Take the bead and just tuck it like this. I will fill this entire edge with beads. I have tucked the beads in the entire edge, then I will just close my stitch with a simple tuck. Like this. And cut the thread. Then I have to make a mesh in the center of the ring. Like this. You have to put your needle in the middle and do a mesh like this. Do not pull the thread, just lightly make a stitch. Don't worry, if you look, this is a very messy stitch. We will cover it up with the mirror. The mesh is ready, so I will close the stitch with a knot. Cut the thread. This is the final look of the mirror ring. After that, you have to take your glue gun and just put the glue in the middle and put your mirror. Of course, you can use glue, but hot glue gun make this easier. I have put my mirrors in the front and the back also, so the front design and the back design is the same. You have to make 7 of them to make a flower. I have already prepared my mirrors. To make a flower, I have to attach it in this position. I will use needle and the same golden thread for attaching these mirrors. You have to attach at the center of the beads. I have taken 2 beads. I will attach them at the center of the beads. And tie the knot. Like this. And cut the excess thread.
Now I will join the mirrors.
After tucking all of my mirrors, it will look like this. And then I have to make the dory. To make this dory, I have medium beads, small golden beads, the plastic beads, and I have colored pom-pom. First, I have to take one golden bead and bead it. Then take the pom-pom, also tuck it like this. Then take a medium golden bead and tuck it. After that, take 2 beads at once and thread it like this. Then take 2 plastic beads and also thread it. I have made my dory in this sequence. Tuck it in here. With the help of a needle. Cut it with a scissor. It will look like this. You have to make 2 of them and attach it in here and here. After attaching all of the strings, it will look like this. Last thing to do is to put a thread on here. To make this, I have a small plastic circle which I will tie at the bottom of a needle thread. Like this. And cut off the excess part. the ring is attached to the end of the needle thread. Then take a golden bead. After that, take pom-pom and attach to it. Take another golden bead. The smaller beads in this order. This height is enough. I will not make this thread longer. Take another golden bead and thread it. After that, I will tie it in here. This is the final look of my latkan. It is looking like this. You can use easily in your lahenga or blouse and also in churidar. If you love my work, then please let me know in the comment. Like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.